Hi, myself Palla Patel. So today we gonna study about Python program for finding roots of equation x square minus x minus 1 equals x. So first of all we will import a function a math which is inbuilt, and we will define find roots. First function ABC discriminant equals b multiply 2 minus 4 into a into c. If discriminant is greater than 0, then root 1 equals minus b plus math square root of discriminant divided by 2 multiplied by k. Another square root 2 equals minus b minus math dot square root discriminant divided by 2 root a. So then return root 1 root 2 L if discriminant equals 0, root equals minus b of 2 multiplied by 0, return root else real part equals minus b of 2 multiplied by a, imaginary part equals minus b divided by 2 multiplied by a, return real part imaginary part. A comma b comma c equals minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1, root equals find roots a b c, print f the roots are roots in curly bracket.